Hey guys, welcome to a new video. This is Vidushi Rana and today's video is going to be on core workout. This is also absolutely a no equipment workout and we are going to do it. It will be fun, and before starting I will request you guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of more videos would you like to see. So let's get started.
So the first exercise we are doing is cat and cow. You have to keep in mind that you have to keep your core tight and you have to do 15 to 20 repetitions of this workout and 3 sets. This is a great exercise for your core, for your back flexibility, but yes, if you will not keep your core tight, you won't feel any burn on your core. I always say when you do cat and cow, you have to keep in mind that when you are coming down, you have to think like a cow pose, and when you are going up, like you are making round of your back, you have to think of a mad cat. How does it look like? And you have to make your back like that only, and then your cat and cow would be perfect. So now we are going to do is dead bug hold. This is the first variation of dead bug exercises, and you have to lift your hands and legs up and hold it here like this and keep your core tight. Just try to divert your mind from the surroundings, and if you get burn on your thighs, just divert it from there and try to think, try to keep the mind and muscle connection on your core only. Then only you will get the burn on your core in this exercise. Just do it for 30 seconds, and if you are able to hold it more, that's good. So next is a very easy exercise for your core. Just you have to touch your toes from side to side while lying on the floor, and you can do 30 repetitions, 40, 50, as much as you can. Just try to keep your core tight, and you have to do 3 sets of this exercise too. The next we are doing is scissors, very common exercise. You have to lift your legs up and move your legs like scissor moves, and you can do again as many repetitions as you can. I usually do 50 repetitions of 3 sets of this exercise. So now we are doing is cross scissors, very similar to scissors exercise, but a little bit of difference. You just have to crisscross your legs. Again, you can do 50 repetitions of 3 sets, but if you are a beginner, you can start slowly, like with 10, 20, 25, and you can increase them. So now we are doing is leg raises. Just you have to lift your legs up and come down slowly. It would be better if you do these exercises with mind and muscle connection, because most of the people don't feel connection on their core. It is very important to keep the mind and muscle connection, unless you are a beginner, because beginners don't get the mind and muscle connection easily. It takes time to make mind and muscle connection, but if you are intermediate, it is very important you should have mind and muscle connection. So next we are doing is dead bug. We did dead bug hold previous, and now we are doing dead bug. The position will be the same, and you just have to crunch it. Move your legs and hands simultaneously and crunch them all over inside and in the same time, keeping your core tight, keeping the mind and muscle connection. Again, you can do 12 to 15 repetitions as you feel comfortable, and 3 sets again. So the last we are doing is Russian twist. If you are not able to lift your legs up, you can keep them down also. and if you are able to lift your legs up, it is also fine, and you have to move left to right and keeping your core tight, and you can again do 15 to 20 repetitions with 3 sets. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked the video.
So guys, this was it for core workout video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of more videos would you like to see, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will put the link in the description box below. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.